Good day everyone, this is Teacher Hart, and in this tutorial, we dive into a fascinating world of power series and learn how to determine the radius, center, and interval of convergence using the ratio test. So understanding a convergence is crucial because it tells us where a power series behaves nicely and give us meaningful results. Let's get started.
We've seen different types of series up until this point, so let's check out another. A power series is that takes the form c sub n times n to the nth power from 0 to infinity. So we get 0 c first with no x because 0 is 1. Then the next term is c1 times x, then c2 times x squared, and so on. The c's are constant that we'll call coefficient, and the sum of this series can be represented by a function, f of x. We'll just add up all the terms resulting in what looks like a polynomial with infinity terms. Then the domain of this function is the set of all x value for which series converges. So now let's apply the ratio test. It helps determine converge by examining the limit of ratio of consecutive terms. Well, look at the two examples. So this is our first example. So we need to determine what is the c of that example. So an times x minus 2. So what is the value of c? So the value of c is equal to 2. From that value, x minus 2. So next, this is our second example. So for that example, we solve for the ratio test. And then we substitute, so the n plus 1. And then from the second, n plus 1, ika-cancel natin yung n factorial times x sub n. So we come up to the answer limit of n to the infinity n plus 1 times x. After that, ilalabas natin yung x value. Then papalitan natin yung n ng infinity. And magka-come up tayo sa answer na infinity, and it is converges. So hahanapin naman natin ang kanyang radius at interval. So, ang radius niya is 0, ang interval niya is c constant, the interval is 0. So, to recap, we've learned so much to find the radius, center, and interval of convergence of a power series using the ratio test. Remember the steps. Apply the ratio test to find the radius and center, then carefully check converges at the endpoints of the interval. Practice makes perfect. Try some problems on your own. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll become with this important concept. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for the more math tutorials. Thank you for watching.